If you were interviewed today on a national television network and they said you have 30 seconds or less to tell us who you are, what exactly would you say? The 30 seconds that you would share with the world, would it make the national headlines? The 30 seconds that you would share with the world, would it inspire someone? The 30 seconds that you would share with the world, would it change or could it change someone's life forever? The current 30 seconds that you are living right now represents the story that you are telling yourself every day, which is a reflection of your imagination. Here is what I want to say to you today. You are more capable than what you're currently demonstrating. How do I know this? Because there's something within you that is unstoppable. There is something that is within you that is very powerful, that if you made a full commitment today to tap into this power that you have, your life will never be the same. You may be wondering, what am I referring to? I'm referring to a winner that is most certainly within you. So I welcome you to today's episode as I introduce the third ingredient of this very impactful series entitled How to Activate the Winner Within You. For a second, notice this picture frame. Now, here's what's important. It's hard to see the picture when you're inside the frame. So right now, put what you currently are doing in your life in this frame. If you don't change the image that you have in your mind, you can never change the picture that's inside the frame. So right now, you may be living in a moment that is not productive for activating a winner within you. What is currently in your frame? Do we see hard work from you? Do we see someone chasing their dreams? If someone were to give you 30 seconds right now, whatever is currently in your mind is reflected in your picture's frame. But here's the question. Do you like what is in your frame? No matter how much you look at a picture, you can only change its image if you take the picture out and put another image within that frame. So what is shaping your mind right now? What is shaping your mind right now? What is going to shape your mind, or what should shape your mind moving forward after today's episode, is being your authentic self. And I want to talk about the importance of this. In order to activate the winner that is within you, you must be who you truly are. When you're being who you truly are, you have confidence. You see, there are two types of confidences. A confidence that lasts forever and one that is temporary. Only when you're in your element can you truly be confident. So if you're pretending to be something that you're not, it cannot last. It's like pretending to love someone that you don't love. It's like pretending to eat a meal every day that you don't like. How long would that last? It's like pretending to accept $2 an hour when you were formerly getting paid $20 an hour from the same job. How long would that last? Here's my question. Based on your goals and dreams, based on the things that you really see in your mind's frame, do you have the confidence to be who you truly are? In fact, who are you? On last week's episode, I talked about a vision and a compelling mission. So again, put that mission, put that vision into your mind's frame. Now you must unite with who you truly are. See, who you truly are, you may be a writer, you may be a singer, you may be one of the world's best babysitters, you may be a musician, you may be an actor, you may be a missionary. Whatever it is, if you don't have the courage to be your authentic self, you will never Give the world your best 30 seconds. You know why? Because when they ask you that question, you're going to give the world a representative. You're going to say things like money, big houses, things that you think people want to hear. But here is what's significant. Here is what's important to understand. Who you truly are can change the world. Who you truly are can help impact someone's life. And what I mean by change the world, I mean by help other people to realize that they have winners within them as well. So here's what I want to encourage you to do after today's episode. Think about your 30 seconds. Think about what you would say. Look at what you would currently say. And here is the very powerful point that you must keep in mind. Does what you currently say, does it reflect the real, authentic image? That thing that you wanted to be when you were 7, whatever it was, when you were 8, 9, 10, that thing that you would go for if failure wasn't an option. That is who you truly are, and it is in your mind. But here's the problem. You have framed a picture of something that isn't you by letting other people tell you exactly what to do with your life. By letting people tell you, oh, don't do that. That's a waste of time. That is in your current frame, and that is why you cannot activate the winner within you. You see, when you activate the winner within you, you're able to push against the storm, so to speak. Remember, when an airplane takes off, it takes off against the wind and not with it. Everything is like that. So adversities are necessary. In fact, if you're not being persecuted or experiencing any type of adversity, it's because you're not even trying. It is impossible not to experience some type of adversities when you're stretching, when you're trying to be your best. Just like working out, whatever you're doing, when you're challenging your mind, when you're challenging yourself, it is always challenging. So if you're not doing those things, you will never activate the winner within you. And here is what's important to understand. Going back to an airplane must continue to refuel. An airplane must continue to maintain its maintenance. And that's how you are, just like your standards. So you must refuel and refill and fuel your mind every single day with positive stuff. That is your gasoline. That is what's going to help you have the proper takeoff. And here is what controls the proper takeoff: your belief system. If you don't believe in yourself, you'll never take off. And here is what's so tragic. We put more confidence in inanimate objects that are created by us, as opposed to putting our emphasis on the things that are inside of us. So look at your 30 seconds right now. What is it? Are you going to be your authentic self moving forward after today? That authentic self is the key to your greatness. And I want to encourage you to step into your greatness so that you can soar in life, refuel your mind, have standards that are commensurate with a winner. And you most certainly can do this. So as we embark upon next week's episode, I will introduce the fourth ingredient. But until then, this is what I want you to do. I want you to step back, look at your current frame, look at the picture that is in that frame, and ask yourself, why aren't you reflecting the images that you really want to see? Something powerful, is it not? Thank you. It's been a pleasure. I'm Isaac Miller, your motivational speaker, spoken word author, sales coach, and I am inspiration. Thank you.